Imagine a soap packed with the soothing power of aloe vera and the skin-loving benefits of moringa, pure, natural, and handmade. Today we're taking a break from aloe vera plant care and putting this amazing plant to good use by making a natural, skin-loving soap with aloe vera and moringa. Both are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and skin benefits, making this soap nourishing, gentle, and refreshing. Moringa is a superfood, but it's not just great for your diet, it also works wonders for your skin. When I was young, moringa was a go-to remedy for bruises, inflamed skin, and even wounds. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E, and essential fatty acids. This makes it a powerhouse for hydration, skin repair, and anti-aging. After cleaning the aloe vera leaves, extract the gel using a spoon or any blunt tool. This helps avoid scraping the inner rind, where most of the latex is found. Blend the aloe vera gel with moringa leaves until smooth. Then, strain the mixture to separate the juice from the pulp. Since moringa is more sensitive to heat than aloe vera, freeze the juice to prevent scorching when sodium hydroxide is added. Both aloe vera and moringa soothe irritation, brighten the skin, and combat dryness, leaving your skin soft, moisturized, and refreshed. This soap will be a real treat for your skin. Measure 131 grams of frozen aloe vera gel with moringa, then gradually add 65 grams of sodium hydroxide. Check the description box for important safety tips on handling lye, especially if you're making soap for the first time. Mix until the frozen aloe vera gel with moringa melts and the sodium hydroxide dissolves. Then, set it aside to cool. Measure 396 grams of coconut oil and add the aloe vera moringa sodium hydroxide solution. As the oil saponifies, the mixture will thicken. At this stage, add your preferred essential oil for fragrance and extra skin benefits. Pour the mixture into a mold. For this recipe, it will harden in about 8 hours. Once set, unmold the soap and cut it into your desired sizes. Whether you want a soothing, moisturizing bar or just love working with fresh ingredients, this is a recipe you'll definitely want to try. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. This is Danny. See you in the next video.